Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 32. Which of the following items are not considered as a transfer payment? A. Pension pays. B. Government subsidy. C. Student grant. D. Doctor's salary. So the concept we are looking at here is transfer payment. What is a transfer payment? Now, a transfer payment is payment made in which no goods or services are paid for, such as a benefit or a benefit payment or subsidy. So it's basically any form of payment made without goods provided or services rendered. Now, pension pays, of course, can be described as transfer payments from this definition, and hence cannot be our answer because no service is being rendered for it. Government subsidy as well, we described subsidy as a good example of a transfer payment, so that is ruled out. A grant is also a transfer payment because no good or service is provided for a grant. But a doctor's salary is payment for services rendered by a doctor, and hence is not considered a transferred payment or a transfer payment. So the correct answer is D, doctor's salary. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.